Everything around us is made of atoms, but atoms do not like to stay alone. They join together using chemical bonds. There are three main types of chemical bonds: ionic bonds, covalent bonds, and metallic bonds. Let's understand them one by one with simple examples. Ionic bonds. An ionic bond forms when one atom gives electrons to another atom. One atom becomes positive, the other becomes negative. Opposite charges attract each other. This attraction holds the atoms together. A common example is table salt. Sodium gives one electron. Chlorine takes one electron. They form sodium chloride. When salt dissolves in water, it breaks into ions. That is why salt water can conduct electricity. Covalent bonds. A covalent bond forms when atoms share electrons. No electrons are taken or given. They are shared between atoms. A good example is water. Oxygen and hydrogen share electrons. This makes water stable. Sugar is also covalent. When sugar dissolves in water, it does not form ions, so sugar water does not conduct electricity. Metallic bonds. Metallic bonds are found in metals. Metal atoms share their electrons with many atoms. These electrons can move freely. This is called a sea of electrons. Because of this, metals conduct electricity, metals are shiny, metals can bend without breaking. Copper wires are a good example.